Oh crap. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing with my friend, Diamond Screen 990. And Zombie Attack. And that's when I started recording. I started recording. This is my friend from school, by the way. I'm trying to find him. I don't know where he is. Oh crap. Actually, I'm really laggy. The video's gonna be laggy as hell. Oh, I gotta run. Yeah? Oh, look at far out. Oh crap. I have to kill them. Okay. Oh crap. Get out of my way, boy. Okay, we'll play a new game. I'll be back when I find a game, okay? Guys? I'm back. We're playing Ireland. Hey! 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 That's a grit. Let's try one. If we can. BRB to the G. Oh, look, guys. I am lagging like crazy. Oh my god. Oh. I don't know. Lord. Okay, what should I do? Because I'm going to make my resume to work at the Cheesecake Factory. And I'll save up so we can have cheesecake some nights. I hate cheesecake. There's different, it's not just cheesecake. There's mud cake, mousse. Yummy. Yum yum. Delicious. I'm doing it. Ultimate custom night. I'm doing it.
Oh my god, Dave, guess what?
What?
Nothing.
I'm recording. Thank you. Okay.
Am I allowed to get my resume over and done with?
I have to do a book reading and my assignment.
Okay.
And I'll give it to you.
Sorry guys, I gotta go.